नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम जीवीएन डॉक्टर रूपेश एम लिखार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ क्रिया शारीर, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Today we will discuss last part of Shukra Dhatu. Let's start with Dhatu Praman. According to Atreya Sampradaya, Praman of Shukra Dhatu is half Anjali. Still, it is not possible to suggest Anjali Praman in living body. आचार्य चरक ने कितना बताया है अंजलि प्रमाण शुक्र धातु का? हाफ अंजलि, अर्ध अंजलि शुक्र धातु का प्रमाण बताया. धन्वंतरी संप्रदाय suggests the position of some or Visham Pariman of Shukra should be done through its attributes and functions. धन्वंतरी संप्रदाय आचार्य सुश्रुत क्या कहते हैं कि शुक्र धातु का प्रमाण सम है अथवा विषम है, इसको शरीर में उसके गुण तथा फंक्शंस उसके कर्मों के द्वारा जानना चाहिए. धातु सारता, एक्सीलेंस ऑफ शुक्र धातु. किसी व्यक्ति में शुक्र धातु उत्तम प्रमाण में होने पर उसमें क्या क्या लक्षण दिखाई देते हैं, उसे शुक्र धातु सार लक्षण कहते हैं. आचार्य चरक ने इसके लिए कुछ लक्षण बताए हैं, जो है सौम्या सोम प्रेक्षिणा क्षीर पूर्ण लोचना इव प्रहर्ष बहुला स्निग्ध वृत्त सार संसहत शिखर दसना प्रसन्न स्निग्ध वर्ण स्वरा प्राजिष्णव महास्फीकश्च शुक्रसारः. ते स्त्रिय प्रिय उपभोगा फलवंत सुख ऐश्वर्य आरोग्य वित्त सम्मान अपत्य भाजश्च भवन्ति. आचार्य सुश्रुत ने बताया स्निग्ध सहत श्वेत दंत नखम बहु काम प्रजम शुक्रेण. According to Acharya Charak, Soumya, first is Soumya. Soumya means gentle or kind. Shukrasar individuals have kind, quiet and gentle nature. Second, Soumya Prekshina. Shukrasar individuals have gentle and kind look. They never look harsh or violent. Shir Purna Lochana. Shukrasar individuals are blessed with the most delightful eyes. The Shukla and Krishna part of their eyes are very distinct. The Shukla part appears so clear and white as if they are filled with milk. दोनों पार्ट क्षीरपूर्ण लोचन शुक्रसार व्यक्ति में कैसे होते हैं? जो ब्लैक पार्ट होता है आईज का और व्हाइट पार्ट होता है, दोनों एक दूसरे से डिफ्रेंशिएट इजीली किए जा सकते हैं. और व्हाइट पार्ट ऐसा दिखाई देता है जैसे दूध से भरा हुआ हो, इतना व्हाइट. क्षीरपूर्ण, इसीलिए इसे क्या कहा है? क्षीरपूर्ण लोचन. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, प्रहर्ष बहुला. प्रहर्ष refers to overwhelming happiness or joy. It refers to joyful sexual act in context to Shukra Sarata. Shukra Sar individuals are favored with good sexual capacity which gives them extreme pleasure. Next, Snigdha Vritta Sarasam Sahat Shikhar Dashana. Teeth of Shukra Sar person are unctus, snigdha, round, vritta, strong, and without dirt, well-shaped, compact, and beautiful. Prasanna Snigdha Varna Swaraha. Shukrasar individuals are graced with pleasant and satisfied appearance on face with unctus complexion. They are blessed with soft and melodious voice. Brajishnavaha. Next point is Brajishnavaha. Brajishnava means Shukrasar persons have radiating or lustrous look and complexion. Next is Mahaspeaker. Shukrasar individuals have prominent gluteal region. Three Priya Upabhoga. Shukrasar individuals have the power of mesmerizing other people, especially the opposite sex, because of their enchanting personality, radiating complexion, and melodious voice. Therefore, these individuals are loved by opposite sex. They also enjoy intercourse as they have good sexual capacity as compared to others. Balwant, Shukras are individuals have good physical as well as sexual stamina. Sukha, Sukh or happiness of Shukras are individuals associated with sexual act. Aishwarya, because of attractive personality, Shukras are individuals are popular. This provides sovereignty these individuals. Arogya, Shukras are individuals are provided with good health. With having kind nature and gentle personality, these individuals can very well work in any field and make mark in the world. Thus, they can earn wealth in very short time. Sammanabhaja. Shukras are individuals are respectable as they are blessed with gentle nature and kindness. Apatya Shukras are individuals are popular in opposite sex as well as they are endowed with good sexual capacity. Thus, they have more number of healthy children. According to Shushruta, Snigdha, Sammat, Swet, Asthi, Dantanaka. Shukras are person have unctus compact and white bones, teeth and nails. Bahula Kama Praja. Shukra person have excessive sexual desire and these have more progeny. Updhatu of Shukra Dhatu. According to Charak Sahita, Shukra Dhatu is the purest Dhatu, hence it does not have any Updhatu. But according to Acharya Sharangdar Sahita, Oj is the Updhatu of Shukra Dhatu. Sharangdar was the lone compendium to mention Updhatu of Shukra Dhatu. Mal of Shukra Dhatu. According to Sharangdar, Vaktra Snigdhata and Yuvan Pidika appear on face in youth and teenage years as the mal of Shukra Dhatu. Twak Sneha is also considered as Shukra Dhatu mal, according to Acharya Sharangdar. Charak Sahita and Shushruta take no mal of this dhatu due to its purity. However, Ashtang Hridaya states Oj as mal of Shukra dhatu. Shukra Vriddhi Lakshan. Shukra Vriddhi Lakshan, excess libido and calculi Shukra Ashmari are the Lakshan of Shukra Vriddhi. Shukra Shray शुक्रे चिरात् प्रसिच्येत शुक्रम शोणितम एव तोदो अत्यर्थम वृषणियो मेंढ्रम धूमायतीव च. According to Acharya Hriday, delay in ejaculation, chiraprasik, ejaculation accompanied with bleeding, severe pain in vrishan, and burning sensation in urethra are the symptoms of decreased Shukra Dhatu. According to Shushruta, pain in Mendra and Vrishan, impotency, early or late ejaculation, or ejaculation of Shukra with blood are the symptoms of Shukra Shay. According to Acharya Charak, Daurbalya, Mukha Shoshascha, Pandutva, Sadana Shrama, Klebyam, Shukra Visargascha, Chena Shukrascha, Lakshanam. Daurbalya means weakness, Mukhashosh, dryness of mouth, Pandutva, paleness, Shrama, fatigue, Klebya, impotency, Shukra, avisarga, delayed ejaculation are the characteristics or are the symptoms of Shukra Shay. So here we end the topic Shukra Dhatu, in which we studied first Shukra Dhatu Praman, Dhatu Sar Lakshan, Dhatu Shay Lakshan, Dhatu Vriddhi Lakshan. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.